What is generative AI? Generative AI, or generative artificial intelligence, is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content rather than just analyzing existing data. Unlike traditional AI systems, which are mainly designed to recognize patterns, classify data, or make predictions, generative AI can produce entirely new outputs such as text, images, music, code, or even videos. In simple terms, it is a type of AI that creates instead of only understands. This ability to generate fresh and unique content makes generative AI one of the most exciting and widely discussed fields in technology today. Generative AI is powered by advanced machine learning models, particularly deep learning and neural networks. A very common framework behind many generative AI tools is the use of large language models, LLMs, and generative adversarial networks, GANs. LLMs, like OpenAI's GPT models, are trained on massive amounts of text data to learn patterns of language and can then generate new sentences, articles, or even stories. GANs, on the other hand, are used widely in generating realistic images or videos. They work by having two networks compete with each other. One tries to generate fake content, and the other tries to detect whether it's fake or real. This competition helps the system improve until it can produce content that looks very natural. One of the most visible examples of generative AI is ChatGPT, which can write essays, answer questions, or even create poetry. Another example is MidJourney or Stable Diffusion, which can generate images from simple text prompts like "a castle in the clouds at sunset." These tools rely on the ability of generative AI to understand human instructions and then produce content that looks as if it was made by a person. In the world of music, AI tools can now compose original songs or replicate the style of famous musicians. In software development, generative AI can assist by writing computer code or debugging programs automatically. Generative AI has a wide range of practical applications in our daily lives and industries. In education, it can help students by simplifying complex topics, generating practice questions, or creating personalized study materials. In healthcare, it can be used to design new drugs by generating possible molecular structures or to create synthetic medical images for training doctors. In business, generative AI can assist marketers in writing advertising copy, designing visuals, or even creating customized customer experiences. Content creators are also using these tools to save time, whether it's generating video scripts, artwork, or background music. This makes generative AI not just a futuristic idea, but a very practical tool that people are already using in creative and professional fields. However, with all of its benefits, generative AI also comes with challenges and risks. Since it can produce human-like text or realistic images, there is a danger of misinformation or fake content spreading quickly. For example, deepfakes created with generative AI can produce videos or images of people that look real but are entirely fake. There are also concerns about copyright issues, as generative AI models are often trained on existing human-created content. Questions about job automation also arise, since generative AI might replace some human tasks in writing, art, or programming. Ethical and legal debates continue as society tries to balance the opportunities with the potential harms. The future of generative AI looks both promising and challenging. Experts believe that as the technology advances, it will become more accurate, creative, and integrated into our daily activities. From creating entertainment to solving scientific problems, generative AI is expected to reshape many aspects of life. At the same time, careful regulations and ethical guidelines will be needed to prevent misuse. In conclusion, generative AI is not just another technology trend. It is a powerful tool that is transforming how humans create, learn, and interact with the digital world.